Hey folks, thanks for watching True Stories with me, Sherry Weens. If you haven't yet subscribed, click that little red button below. And if you'd like to be notified of my post, click the bell right beside it. It'll send you a notification as soon as I post. Okay, so Bruce can't talk today. Bruce McArthur's case was in court again today, and they have come to an agreement, I guess, where he's going to waive his preliminary hearing, which is basically just a process of trying to see if there's enough evidence to take a case to court or trial, right? So he is waiving that right, basically stating that, yes, there is a ton of evidence against him. He's aware of that kind of thing. I suspect that there's more evidence, and they're probably going to be looking at setting up some kind of a deal to get more information from him about other victims, about other crimes. If he did in fact commit many other crimes, like in the 70s, 80s, 90s, and those are just sitting unsolved, it would be a great benefit to the Toronto Police Department if a lot of those could be solved just from one person, right? So they're continuing, obviously, to investigate, and then we are due back in court for November 5th, and I think that's going to be just to set a date as to when we start trial. So this is Canada's serial killer, Bruce McArthur, 66 years old when he was arrested. I can imagine that his life sentence won't last too long. So they're probably definitely just trying to get more information from him before he passes away, and those cold cases just get left like that, right? So if you enjoyed this video update with me, a thumbs up would be a great support. I will reel in the City News, Toronto City News broadcast that had one of their representatives at the court hearing today. So have a listen to that. If you have any thoughts or comments or questions, just throw that into the comment section, guys, and I will respond. And I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye for now. Don't forget the thumbs up.
Gabriel, a tired, frail-looking Bruce McArthur appeared here inside College Park courts today. He stood expressionless and looked at the ground as all 8 names of his alleged victims were read out in front of a judge and a packed courtroom. The big news from today, McArthur has waived his right to a preliminary hearing.
Well, that's big. I mean, prelims take often a year to prepare and then a few months. So if they get a preliminary, we're talking 2 years minimum before a trial. So waiving the preliminary means that they're going to move to trial probably within a year or so. And it also means there might be some deal cooking. It kind of admits that there's enough evidence. The preliminary is just to find out if there is enough evidence to go to trial. I think that his lawyer and he are saying there is enough evidence and they're not even going to contest that. That's important. Maybe there's a deal in the works, but I don't know what they can offer him that's going to help.
What's the stage of the investigation? Is there any work still being done in the forensic analysis, cold case?
Absolutely. I mean, this is an investigation that I don't think we will stop for many years. We still have a team working on the cold cases, continuing to look into Mr. McArthur's background.
And what's going to happen on November 5th? Can you give us an idea?
It's just going to be set dates, just like they were here. He's going to appear before a judge down there, and we're going to start the process whether we work towards setting a trial date.
What does this tell us about when we might hear a plea from Mr. McArthur?
I'm not in a position to talk plea. Again, we're taking the next step, which is going down to Superior Court, which is where this matter should be held, and we're going to have discussions down there. Again, I've got no word on a plea.
As for the victims' families, I spoke privately, very briefly today with Patricia Kinsman, Andrew Kinsman's sister. She was upset and understandably distraught at the potential that this could be going to trial. Next court date is November 5th, when a trial date is expected to be set. In front of College Park Courts, Adrian Gabriel, City News.